Every generation has a calling. Some choose the sky, some choose the land, but a few choose the sea, and the responsibility of protecting every life that sails upon it. SHM is a 139-year legacy, a family that built India's maritime backbone, from delivering vessels to the Navy and Coast Guard, to designing life-saving equipment trusted across oceans.
To strengthen the SHM team, the SHM Group introduced a 2-year training initiative called the GET program.
SHM uniquely provides training in all these aspects because we are a shipbuilder, we are a ship repairer, we are a ship management company, and we also excel in the maritime safety.
SHM can offer multiple skill sets and multiple verticals of business which we have got that encompass almost the entire spectrum of the maritime domain. So right from the supplies of stores and spares to servicing of entire LSA, FFA items, to ship repair, to shipbuilding, and then also ship operating and charter hire.
At SHM, we aspire for our engineers to spend the earlier phase of their career gaining as much of technical knowledge and practical exposure they can, so that they could become future leaders of the company, engineering products, engineering solutions for India and the world.
In the search of aspiring leaders, SHM conducting campus placements strive to identify and nurture top talent.
This is what we are looking for.
The first chapter of our GET program begins from Kochi campus.
Here we think that the theory is not enough. We will carry out theory and hands-on experience with practical. So the fear and will go away from the technicians, so then they will be working with confidence.
It's not just preparing me for my current responsibilities, but it is preparing me for larger roles and long-term career growth in industry.
I thought this program would be technical training only. However, it's much more. I'm learning project management, preparing quotations and sales orders, and understanding how exactly the maritime industry works. It is building my skills, preparing me as a future leader, and opening up excellent career opportunities.
I am learning how to carefully open a life raft and begin a proper inspection.
I check each component one by one, especially the inflation system.
I verify all the components in the equipment bags are completely functional and safely packed.
Each session is giving me more confidence and helps me understand the responsibilities that comes along with this work.
We teach GETs that the life of servicing about the foresight, fixing the problem before they exist. We make sure that they are ready for one critical moment.
Joining SHM, first year will be getting your hands dirty, getting to know what we are into, getting to know what company is doing, getting to know in future where you want to pursue your career in, and have a journey where you can learn number of things regarding how we build a vessel, how we operate the vessel, how we do day-to-day maintenance, how we troubleshoot the defects. After 4-5 years of getting concrete ground level knowledge. You will be in a position to lead a team of few people. Later on, you will be promoted to some management level.
I train GET to treat lifeboat servicing as a zero error work. When they understand that every steps protect your life, safety and precision becomes non-negotiable.
So you are in a unique position to join a firm that is well entrenched into products that Indian Navy needs, and this is something that will take your career forward in the sense that nation's political masters as well as the industry realizes very well now that the next 10 to 15 years is going to be a boom period for shipbuilding industry. So when you think of joining SHM's GET program, you should be aware that you are not only working in SHM, but you are directly contributing to the nation's defense preparedness.
A good fire suppression system starts with effective planning. I am glad that I get to learn and apply that here.
When I joined SHM, I had a doubt whether I will fit in this male-dominated marine industry. But from the very first day, SHM changed my perspective. I was never treated differently for being a woman. Instead, they supported, guided and encouraged me. SHM gave me the confidence to grow in my career. This shows their support towards diversity and equal opportunities. I hope this inspires more women to join this field, and I am happy to represent women empowerment in this field.
We induct them into our system, we give them training in all the things, both hands-on, how to do project management, how to do quotations, how to, interact with clients. Each and everything we are teaching here.
After completing my 2-year GET journey at SHM, I feel really ready for the maritime industry. SHM Shipcare provided me something far valuable than technical knowledge. It gave me confidence, competence and a sense of clarity about where I'm headed. And that's really important because wherever I go in the company, I don't just step in as an engineer. I step in as someone who knows to earn his place. At SHM, I didn't just learn engineering, I got the chance to actually live it.
Designed a program for 2 years and we have taken the GETs in different departments of our company, and they will know each and everything what we are doing. So by the time of 2 years, they will know what is SHM and what are all the job we are doing, and they can carry out by their hands.
SHM didn't just train me, it just shaped my professionalism. From servicing of engines to water jet systems, my work spanned across various crucial marine machineries. I have worked on safety equipment on vessels under tight deadlines, with the awareness that even the smallest mistake could end up in someone's safety risk. This responsibility has shaped the way I work and think.
You must have seen a fancy video, fancy boards, fancy stuffs going on around here. But behind that things, we need to get our hands dirty. Be prepared for that if you want to join us.
The GET program at SHM Shipcare is not just a rotation, but it's an immersive ground level journey. I have been moved to different locations and departments like firefighting, lifeboat, lifecraft, shipyard, where I have gained knowledge of multiple equipments. Every time I have started from scratch, meeting new people, learning new machines and gaining new experiences.
We believe GET training program is not just about learning, but enjoying the journey together. That's why we create an environment which is positive and energetic that would help them relax, learn and grow as well.
At SHM, we value not just academics, but also creative and cultural pursuits that shape well-rounded individuals.
Over the time working here in SHM, I wasn't just learning things how they work. I was learning how to plan workloads, how to manage people, and how to anticipate the problem before they are arising. The GET program didn't just teach me engineering. It teaches me the responsibility, work safety, and efficiency at work.
So it is a one place where you get comprehensive training, you get comprehensive knowledge, and also a complete training facility to make sure that you have the necessary prowess moving forward in your own life.